If you are looking for an AI workspace to manage tasks, automate workflows, or collaborate with AI agents, you have probably heard about OpenClaw and Cloudy Cowork. Both tools aim to help you work faster with AI, but they take different approaches, very different approaches. In this video, we'll compare OpenClaw versus Cloudy Cowork, including their features, pros and cons, pricing, and which one is best for you. What is OpenClaw? First, let's talk about OpenClaw. OpenClaw is an open source AI automation platform designed for building and running AI agents that can complete complex tasks. It focuses heavily on automation and workflow building. You can connect AI models, tools, APIs, and databases to create automated systems. Some key features include AI agent automation, workflow building, tool integrations and APIs, self hosting capability, and customizable AI pipelines. Because it is open source, developers can modify it and run it locally or on their own servers. What is Cloudy Cowork? Now let's look at Cloudy Cowork. Cloudy Cowork is a collaborative AI workspace built around Cloudy AI by Anthropic. And instead of focusing on automation, it focuses on AI collaboration for teams. You can use it to brainstorm ideas, write documents, analyze data, and work with AI alongside your team. Key features include shared AI workspace, document collaboration, AI assisted writing and research, team knowledge management, integration with productivity tools. It is designed to feel more like a team productivity platform with AI built in. Key differences. The biggest difference between these tools is their purpose. OpenClaw focuses on AI automation and agent systems. It is best for people who want to build automated workflows or AI driven tools. Cloudy Cowork, on the other hand, focuses on AI collaboration. It's built for teams who want to work together with AI on projects and documents. Another big difference is flexibility. OpenClaw is open source and highly customizable, which is great for developers. Cloudy Cowork is simpler and more polished, but you have less control over the system. Finally, there is the technical skill required. OpenClaw usually requires technical knowledge to set up and manage. Cloudy Cowork is designed to be easy for non technical users. Pros and cons. OpenClaw Pros, open source and customizable, powerful automation features, supports multiple AI tools and APIs, can be self hosted. OpenClaw Cons, more complex setup, not very beginner friendly, requires technical knowledge. Cloudy Cowork Pros, easy to use interface, great for teams and collaboration, strong AI writing and research tools. Minimal setup required. Cloudy Cowork Cons, less customization, not focused on automation, usually requires a subscription. Pricing. OpenClaw itself is typically free if you self host, but you may still pay for AI model usage or server hosting. Cloudy Cowork usually works on a subscription model, depending on the team size and AI usage, so OpenClaw can be cheaper if you manage your own infrastructure. Which one should you choose? Choose OpenClaw if you want to build AI automations, if you need custom AI agents, if you are comfortable with technical setups. Choose Cloudy Cowork if you want an AI powered team workspace, if you need help with writing, research, and collaboration, if you prefer something simple and ready to use. In short, OpenClaw is for automation builders, while Cloudy Cowork is for AI collaboration. If you find this comparison helpful, consider subscribing for more AI tools comparisons and reviews. And please give it a thumbs up, share this video to your friend, and turn on the bell icon to get all the new reviews and comparisons about such topics. Thank you for watching and see you in a new comparison video.